everybody. Thanks for joining. We're currently in Napa this weekend and we're doing a short little getaway with the family. Hibiki's here too, so we're here to enjoy just a little relaxing weekend in Napa. Of course, always has its setbacks. Power is currently out and we're staying at the Hyatt Andaz. In the meantime, we can't check in, but they have given us complimentary wine, so we're gonna enjoy it. Cheers. Hopefully the power will be back soon. We have all of our stuff here, so it's all good. At least there's actual sunlight to some degree. But the storm came in randomly. I actually didn't pack any appropriate clothes for the weekend. I brought like a jacket and a couple layers, but wasn't prepared for the rain, so hopefully it'll clear up as the day goes by and we can go walk around the town with Hibiki and not get wet. Hi everyone, we're finally in our room. I think we got to upgrade to a suite, I think. Let me show you what the room looks like. Andaz Napa, and we brought our dog Hibiki. Hibiki is here with us on our trip, and they offer a dog bed and dog bowls as a service. You have to pay for it. It is a bit pricey, but I'm just happy to see the hotel that we can come to, and Hibiki can join us on our trip. Oops, I spilled. So I'm actually really impressed with the room. It's very spacious, has a small living area and then the bedroom area, which is really nice to have that separation. The thing that I was pleasantly surprised about was first getting the upgrade because I'm a Hyatt member, and when you're globalist status, you are eligible for free upgrades when available. I did tell our concierge that it is my birthday. They provided a nice gift and gave us a free upgrade, which is really nice. The room is perfect. I really like the fireplace. It's on right now, but it's very low, so you can tell that it's on, just keeping the room warm. We can turn it off if it gets too hot. Thinking of going to get burgers or maybe oysters at this market downtown. It should be pretty close if we're able to walk, but right now the weather is hit or miss. So it's sunny right now, but about an hour ago it was storming rain and the power actually went out. So we will keep our options open and just play it by ear, but so far so good. Just happy to be in the room with Wi-Fi and power, and we're just gonna enjoy whatever the weekend will hold for us. So we'll say that Hibiki is also very excited to be here. We weren't sure how she was going to react just being in a hotel. I'm happy that she is enjoying it from what I can tell, and she's enjoying her little spot that the hotel provided for her when we told her that we were having our dog stay. I will say that if you do have a large dog, believe your pet needs to be under 50 pounds. You have to let them know that your dog fits or your pet fits within that limit. They'll accommodate. So for dinner, we're going to Oxbow Marketplace. I really love getting Hog Island oysters. You can get a assortment of all the different types of oysters for an appetizer. I believe you can do 6 to 12 oysters, but we'll see what else they have in store. I know that they have pizza. I just saw Gott's Burgers, and let's just see what we end up feeling for when we get inside. Getting second dinner at Gott's Roadside. I ordered a cheeseburger and we got the garlic fries and a regular order of fries to share. He got a double cheeseburger. I'm not super hungry, so I really didn't want to commit to the California burger, but I think based off of all of the items that you get with your burger, that's probably the one I would get if I didn't just have another meal. So we are waiting for our order, and we'll see how it is. I had to move because it was way too sunny, so now we're hiding behind this bush. A little pricey here. It was about $40 for the food, and then the oysters earlier it ended up being $100 for the oysters and seafood stew. Not to say that I wouldn't buy it again, because I have been there. It's my first time here, and $40 I think is kind of steep for a burger. I don't know. In my opinion, I feel like you can get a cheap burger that's still really good, but can you get cheap oysters that are also really good? What are your thoughts? Let's try out this burger. I'll try the french fry first. Solid fries. Now let's try the garlic fry. Looks more oily. They're quite oily. Flavor's good. Here's the burger. Definitely looks like a burger that I cannot finish. This burger is huge, like. Supposedly there's a special sauce. First bite, here we go. I'm messy. I feel like everything's just a little cold. Is yours? Mine's a little cold, to be honest. But the flavor's good.
I think I like smash burgers more.
This isn't his favorite, but it's still good. morning. We're downstairs in the lobby getting breakfast. We just put in our order, and apparently they serve some of the local specialties here that you can find at other restaurants in the area. So supposedly there is this English muffin from Model Bakery that they're famous for, and they have it here for breakfast. I hear that they often sell out of this English muffin, and we're actually going to go to Oxbow Market to go get it. But I guess we'll have two opportunities to try it, and we'll see how it is. My husband's commenting that I do an upswing, and I'm trying not to do it. Today I ordered the regular farmer's breakfast. And then what did you get?
Smoked salmon bagel.
Now we're just going to enjoy our remaining few hours at the hotel before we have to pack up and go. So we just got our food. We're going to try the English muffins. It's the most famous. That's what it looks like. They gave us butter and jam, so I'm gonna try that first and then cheese. Cheers. Yum. So I've only ever had muffins from the package. This one tastes real. I feel like the English muffins in the package, they often are so small and there's not much bread to it. It's good. I like it. I'm gonna try the smoked salmon. Really good. Delicious. What do you think of the English muffin?
Very light and fluffy.
Back in our hotel after eating breakfast, it was really delicious. So much food for me, but we're excited to get the day started. We came back to the room so that I could do my makeup, we could pack up and check out of the hotel. We'll go and explore a little bit around Oxbow Market, maybe if we have time. Hopefully, if we have time for a coffee, that would be great. I accidentally put too much sugar in my coffee at breakfast, so I am in need of a coffee right now. As far as Hibiki, she had a really great time at this hotel. We heard this is one of the more friendlier hotels for dogs and even pets. I believe that when the fires were happening in the area, they allowed everyone to bring their pets, their babies, even farm animals. So it was really nice to stay here, very accommodating, and everyone was very nice to us as guests. So we really enjoyed staying here more than I actually thought that I would. But we're just going to get ready now and head out. What'd you get in the bag?
3 packs. And chocolate croissant.
3 packs of what?
English muffins.
Cool. So we just got some English muffins from Model Bakery. That's one of the most famous things that they're known for. And then we also had to get a little snack, of course, but not realizing how big this snack would actually be. This is their chocolate croissant. Look at this. So I'm gonna give it a first bite. Yum. Super flaky. I feel like the chocolate is just the right amount of bitterness and sweetness. I think if I had a bigger bite of the croissant, it would be better balanced. I definitely just got a full mouthful of chocolate. But very good, very light, considering how much chocolate's in here and how big the croissant is.
Here we go. Look at all the layers. That's crazy. I don't know if the chocolate's supposed to be more melted.
That's what I thought.
It was a little warmer. English muffin better. Pretty good.